Alrighty guys, today's episode, we're going to be putting a brand new VFN Cowl hood on Jesse's 55. Y'all sit back and enjoy, and let's get into it.
Yeah, man, time to get a lid on this car.
All right, unveil it for us. Yeah, let's see this thing. Oh my goodness, man. Dude.
Dig it, dude.
As old Snowman says, honey hud.
Honey hud. And look, you got a VFN sticker, right?
Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Cowl, hood. All right, let's not let this one fly.
No, no.
Looks good, man. Let's get it on there.
Yeah, man.
Dude, what are you even doing right now?
Holding up my pants and painting all at the same time.
Sounds like a party out here.
I'm telling you, I'm getting this bored.
What is going on? The shenanigans right now is just fun watching.
I'm shenanigans every day. I'm a whole shenanigan.
So what piece is this right here, Jesse?
This goes on the grill, and this holds...
that's like your hood latch and everything, ain't it?
Yeah. The hood latch is on my old hood, but this helps.
Okay. Yeah, that's the base.
Yeah, this is the base part.
All right, cool deal. Heck yeah, man. Looking
I
good.
VHT it a little bit.
VHT, son.
Yeah, help it out a little bit. Get a little paint on it.
All right, then. We'll keep on rocking here. All right, guys. So what's going on right now? We've got the hood inside the shop. We've got the car inside the shop, but we got to get the car prepped and ready. Jesse's getting the hood prepped and ready. So let me take you out there first, let you see what all needs to be done to the hood, okay? So these things don't fit perfectly when you get them, and that's okay. But you also have to transfer your hood latch that comes out of right here, okay? And so right now, you guys can see Jesse, he is fitting that thing over there, trying to get it better. Breathing in fiberglass dust, which sucks. That's why I got him on it, because I don't like it. But he's working on that, getting it filed down. And hey, using our little air compressor we found on the side of the road. That worked out good. Okay, so next thing, you don't have to do this with the VFN hood swap, but we had to because Jesse put a new grill in his car too. And you see that piece right there? All right, that's part of the latch mechanism that comes off of the old grill, okay? And it's all riveted on, and he had to drill all those rivets out and all that stuff. While he was doing that, I went ahead and put his new grill on. Well, new to him, he found a whole lot better looking one at a swap meet. And also at the same time, Jesse had bought this piece the other day on the internet, and I put that bad boy on too. And that piece is pretty nice. So let's check that out real quick while we're waiting on Jesse to sand on the hood. So check out this fill-in panel that we put in on this deal. Look at how clean that deal is. It even goes up underneath the radiator, and it has a drain hole for the petcock there for draining the radiator. So that's pretty cool too on that deal. So anyways, we're getting together here, and Jesse also went ahead and swapped out springs. You do have to swap out springs on your fiberglass hood swap. If you put the old ones on there, you might possibly break your hood in half just because of the weight difference in between steel hood to fiberglass hood. But yeah, guys, let's get back after it. Well, Jesse, does it seem like it's gonna fit now?
I think so, man.
Even the bolt on the back? Really?
Yeah, there he goes, yeah.
Dang.
Bingo, man.
All right then, dude. That looks good, man.
Factory lights. I was hoping we wouldn't have to pin it. I mean, I don't mind pinning, but I'd rather go with the factory stuff. You know, it looks better. It looks cleaner.
Look here, there's double trouble.
Golly, there's a mess.
It's a, oh, she's camera shot. You see that?
What
I know it. All right. Alrighty guys, so all we had to do was we had to adjust on these hinges a little bit. And what you do is you just have to move it up and down right there to finally get it lined up, to get your lines lined up right here. You guys can see that. We've got it close. It still needs a little bit more work to it, but we're getting there and that thing looks pretty good. But unfortunately, this hinge right here, or I guess the latch right here, got bent up, and you can kind of see it's mangled up a little bit with this. It's causing problems and not wanting to release every single time. So, but it is looking good. VFN done a good job on it. And we didn't, so far we haven't had to sand anything, but I think we are. You guys can see a line right there, if it'll clear out. Yeah, you see that line? I'm wanting to trim that right there, so when it closes, it's really smooth up against the grill there and stuff. But anyways guys, it turned out pretty good. Jesse, man,
Dude,
this thing is looking killer, dude.
looks sweet, man. It looks a whole lot better than I thought it was going to look, man. This hood's a game changer now.
Oh my gosh. We will have to get us a different latch.
Yeah, we got some bugs to work out. It bent that latch plumb forward, didn't it?
It messed it up now. Before it wanted to come off all the time, now you can't hardly get it to come up.
That's the way it goes, yeah. So get a new latch and everything, and it looks better with that fill-in panel right there.
Oh my gosh, that fill-in panel.
I got these brand new too, but I don't know if I would just keep them or use them, because a lot of body men I know, they like to stick with the original stuff as much as possible. So I'm kind of on the fence about it, and so I don't know yet. But yeah, we're gonna replace that, and well, I don't know if I'll replace it or not, but think about putting that piece of chrome. What do y'all think? Lot it up in the comments. Should I put that piece of chrome right here or leave it like that? Because the car, one of my mentors I've been looking at for this car, I've got two mentors. One of them's Blasphemy, and the other one's a four-door drag week car. And he didn't put that on there. But I don't know yet. I'm still on the fence. But yeah, what do y'all think? Should I put it on there or put it on there not?
Yeah, guys, comment down below. Should Jesse put the trim piece on there?
Yeah.
Personally, I think he should. We've got it. It's right over there on that hood over there.
He's leaning on there, thinking hard, and I think about rolling with him. I think that'll.
But you guys comment down below. We want to know y'all's opinion.
Yeah, man.
And we'll go from there. But Jesse, man, your outer pieces, they're solid enough out here.
Yeah.
I don't think you're. I think you're
I'm
fine.
just gonna leave them alone.
I'd save your new ones that you got for a rainy day.
Exactly.
Or if you end up getting you another 55.
You never know.
You never know, man. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. But hey, VFN came in clutch for you, dude.
Oh, that hood, I have no complaints with that hood. It's beautiful. It looks good on the car. I mean, everything just sort of just bolted together and say, I'm ready to rock and roll.
That's it, man. It looked good. We didn't have to adjust too much there.
No, not really.
We mainly had to adjust on your fenders, but it was because it didn't have any bolts in it.
I got a bolt kit on the way, supposedly. If they don't show up by Tuesday, I might end up calling them and get an update.
We're either going to keep robbing my bolt pile or we'll get us a new bolt kit, you know?
Exactly, but
it's come along together there, man.
Come along good. And if you noticed through the episode, I did disappear, and it was random. We took a lunch break, and we left here. And while I left here, I had to throw away a bunch of boxes, and I got a phone call nobody wants to hear, but my grandmother ended up passing while I was doing all that, and it was a kind of a shell shocker for me. And I'll keep the information on the DL. Just keep the Maupin family in your prayers. I mean, we all need it. That woman was she was a top-notch woman. She helped molding me as I was growing up to build me the man I am today. And I just keep us in your prayers, man.
That's all we can do, Jesse.
It's gonna be a rough road ahead of us, so.
That's all we can do, man. We'll keep you in the prayer, and we appreciate everybody watching and all that good stuff.
Yeah,
and,
man.
But man, your car turned out
Like
fantastic.
it,
I had a blast with you over the past couple of days working on it. And guys, we are going to be doing the AutoPlumb hose swap out here. I've got to get the measurements on that. So AutoPlumb's going to be coming in clutch on that. So yeah, man. Well, Jesse Bay, it's been a good one. And guys, like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
We appreciate everybody. Jesse, tell them to get on out of here.
Yeah, like, subscribe, let's party in the comments, and we're going to get out of here, and you all too. So I'll see you on next go round.
That's it. We appreciate you.